Ride through all paths like a quick horse. One must try to bring all parties together, like a woman married to 2 men, or a bow with 2 arrows, a single bow carrying 2 arrows. For things to go well, there must be agreement. Regardless of the challenges you encounter, things are predestined. Be bold and draw your bow. You will hit the mark. However, you must remain vigilant, beekeeping for the sake of honey production. The only thing that makes me nervous is the stings from the tails. Although there are various ways to make a living, some are concealed thistles and thorns. Gathering bees to harvest honey is a harsh struggle to obtain some sweetness. A significant amount of hard work and effort is necessary. Prevent disasters by taking measures. Plans must be carefully considered. Don't ask for the moon. Raise bees for honey, and you will be rewarded for your efforts. Worms and insects, awakened by a sudden clap of thunder, in spring call and leap from the soil. The comings and goings are gathered in one sweep. They are changed into a dragon with a single stroke. The thunder roused all sleeping creatures. Because of the assistance you will receive from others, your affairs will prosper. The wheel of fortune spins during the thunderclaps. Things change instantly, and one is soon in front of the celestial gate. Like a snow goose entering a cage blindly, it cannot be free, no matter how hard it tries. North, south, east, and west are all barred. This lot foretells an eternity of regret. A snow goose walks right into the trap. Many things are not as they appear. You cannot travel forward or backwards. Lie low and carry on. Success and failure are predetermined. It's like carrying a tiger up a mountain. You shiver with fear as you gather your courage. Unknowingly, good fortune follows you. You make it out alive and well, with a life to remember. There is terror and danger ahead, like a guy bringing a tiger up the mountains. There are hazards and impediments in your route. If you want your plans to succeed, you must work hard. A fish, is that a dragon? They appear to be different, but they are the same. They patiently wait in the deep seas for their fortune to change. One day, one suddenly rears its head and leaps across the dragon gate. A fish has yet to become a dragon. If you wait, everything will fall into place. Even with a strong base, it takes time to bloom. Manage and arrange your affairs, and avoid arrogance and recklessness. How much money do you see in your dreams? What is a name, if not an empty word? Things discovered beyond the seas and mountains are difficult to believe. Only assistance from a customer will make you happy. Treasures can only be found in dreams, and many things are not what they appear to be. Dreams are dreams. Do not want fame. Wait for the right opportunity to be guided by your outstanding patron. The cold water has not yet reached a rolling boil. It's neither frigid nor hot, but right. To travel the world successfully, you must have excellent skills. Carry on your routine with compassion, and everything will be fine. A criminal is granted a broad pardon. A good doctor will see the sick. Guidance from prominent individuals will aid you in your quest for riches and success. In exchange for protection, a false promise is provided. You are safe and secure, yet the promise has not been fulfilled. Heaven's grace should be repaid and remembered. You must not be so casual with God. Believe what is true and disregard what is false. It is preferable to let things alone. To each his counsel. There is no need to panic. Follow through to the end what the Goddess of Mercy tells you to do. Do not belittle the advice you have received. The king stops and summons you to learn celestial ways on your way to the mountains. The sun and moon shine down on you under bright skies. Your good heart and name were known throughout the 7 seas. Someone with power and prestige will lead you in the right direction. Everything will be in perfect harmony and good fortune. Never be diverted from finishing what you started. Others will come to your aid, no matter what is on your mind.